checking out the cars. I'm not sure. They're probably already busting some of the people out. There's already cops here, so I don't know. But yeah, we're going to check out some of the cars. Let's get it. Is that revving or is that someone's idol?
That's somebody's idol. No, there's gotta be somebody else.
That sounds awkward. Dang, they leave their cars on. They wasting gas.
It's hot in there. You feel it?
They must have left. Dang. Yo, is that a Nissan?
No.
I thought the Nissans looked like that. Yeah, it is.
Is it?
I think so. Because they're the ones with the weird shape headlight.
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like it's something else.
They were like really, 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 really old.
Oh, yeah. I know it's old.
Golly.
Yo,
All the gaps in there.
these BMWs are sick.
I know, those are clean. The one with the yellow stuff.
Alright, where y'all want to walk at? I might do some pictures.
Look at that Infinity.
That's clean.
The Beamer behind it.
Shut up.
I'm recording for my protection.
That is clean. Bro, look at that static stance. Yo, did you see the bags? See that? Yeah. Oh, that's not like the illegal tent too. Illegal tent.
Oh, yeah. They squeezing them in, huh? The lights on this charger.
Oh, it's that 859 Insanity. That's the one we saw.
Oh, at
Yeah.
Cars and Coffee, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yo, this is the chill part right here. Like everyone.
Look at this.
Ooh. Oh, remember? It's like,
Look at that Mustang.
it's like the chill hood part.
This side. I see a lot of Mustangs.
Yeah, this is the chill
This
hood.
is Mustangs and
This
Chargers.
is the chill hood part. I don't think this is the part we. Yo, oh wait, that's not that same clapped one. That one.
No.
Remember that one? Bro, the windshield broke.
Oh,
Bumper
yeah.
broke.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's static. That's static. You know, that static stance. That's what we like now. This is insane.
This is insane. Those guys trying to
We in the hood part, bro.
Oh.
Wanna walk around over here?
Yeah.
There's a lot of. See,
We got a gap cam on the back of the.
little rocks like this. Little rocks like this, they get stuck, and then in the front
Is that
tire.
what threw you off?
Yeah, they just you can't even see them,
Oh.
and then boom, I fall into a barrel. Oh, they
What is this
moving.
Kia doing? Even more purple.
Cross it.
Oh, look at that female.
Yeah, this one's clean.
Yeah, I know this one's really cool.
Yo, I'm gonna get some pictures. Everyone's go. I think everyone's going over there.
Never showing your stuff off. It be true, keep it you. That's how it is. I can be your Noah. You can be my Wes, then I can be your sun. You can be my earth. Resurrect the God through birth. That's for me. All that I need, I'll be there for you. If you keep it real with me, I'll keep it real with you. Just keep your whole seeds and be in there, boo. On top of that, you got the good now with you.
This is tough. Yo, what is this? Is this like a Sylvia? At first I thought it was a Mark III.
Back in? You walking back in?
It's about to start it. turn
clicks,
it.
It clicks.
You turn it and it goes ding.
No, he just put it in. He just snapped it.
They was fired up on back.
Bro, it's the easiest way to make y'all laugh.
Jackson.
This is like a.
I'm in the back.
Jackson. This one, the purple one over there. I
What?
saw that one on Facebook. That purple, the Subaru.
Oh,
I saw
I
one on
think
Facebook.
it's either
Toyota or
it's either the same color, but
Huh?
that FRS or whatever.
Yeah.
I
That
think
thing's
it's
nice.
a BRZ. I think. I think I saw where they were.
Actually,
I went by, but I'm not sure.
look at this kid.
I got to hang up on you on that one.
That is clapped.
Asphalt assassin. Yo.
That's probably another Facebook.
Layer on the headlights.
Bro, it's all the mud. Yo, we better watch out. I forgot about that rule. Yo, we better watch out. We already know we don't know where they going. You better watch
I
out.
might crash.
Yeah.
Better crash that. Golly. It's so
That
glary.
is
Hold up.
clean. Woo. That sound. That smell good. I haven't been to a night car meet in a minute. 2 years.
That thing's clean. I saw that on.
Yo, look
I
at
saw that
this.
on Yo.
Look at this. Yo.
That's the best part of the meat right there.
Yo.
Why is it there?
It's probably a sleeper, bro.
Yeah, it probably is a sleeper.
It probably is a sleeper.
Yo, with the police lights,
Oh, wait, let me see.
it's so glary.
Glary?
Yeah, like look.
Yeah,
look at
it's
the
always at
glare.
the night ones. It's always glary.
Yeah.
But that's alright. As long as you got the lights from the cars, bro.
Yeah.
Little gap camera. They all take their cameras off.
Yeah. Then probably so they don't get stolen.
Yeah.
People don't snap.
Oh,
shoot.
I've never seen a back one.
Yeah, me neither.
Thanks for the light.
Yeah, I got you, bro. Here, move it up.
I could just turn up my EV, bro. Then I'll have light. I don't care though.
I put in the DT and now I'm behind.
No.
Oh, bro, the police lights are sick, bro.
Hey, wait a minute. Is that a real police car?
Maybe.
I mean, it has to. Because you can't impersonate.
Alright, there
What's that like? Oh, it has
Oh,
to.
this thing's nice.
Bro, what they showing off? Their stock police car
Mark
engine?
5. Mark 5.
There's stock.
If it has blue, then yeah, you probably.
It's blue and red flashing.
Because you're not allowed to have blue. I guess I should have brought the
Yeah,
charger
the
then.
blackout plate.
I don't. That's not a real police car. Cause look at the logo.
Oh, yeah.
The wide body. That's not a real police car.
Yeah,
It doesn't have to be a police car though.
Yeah, but it has a wide body. A wide body. The logo.
It can be his personal car and he could still be a police officer. I mean, Daddy got lights on his car.
Well, yeah, but they aren't.
No, but he's allowed to have that on his personal car. He's at work.
Yo, look at this wig. It's all blacked out. Can't see it.
Oh, bro.
Oh, look, he's got the F1.
That's illegal.
Yeah. You can't see it.
The plate.
Yeah.
Oh, the cover.
Bro, this BMW is insane though.
That's nice though.
Crazy BMW.
Yeah.
People have the ones that change to clear or not.
Oh, yeah. I see them, like, you can click the button. Oh, my, look how big this truck is. Golly.
Dog.
Oh, you can see the interior through the window.
Yup.
That's crazy.
Did you see what it says?
What?
look,
What?
look at the display.
What's this for what? Yo. 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 Nah, that's crazy. That is insane. Yo. Yo. Oh, look at this. Look at his.
Someone trying to start.
That's them guy found right there. That's ooh. Look at that.
Oh, it's
Definitely sounds
clean.
terrible.
Oh,
It's
bro,
okay, though.
it's gonna sound like. Yo. Hey, wait. Hold up. I gotta light my own, bro.
What do you need a light?
Of course,
Oh,
he's
dude.
taking pictures of them. I'm cool with it.
We're got the real on camera.
But yeah.
Until hopefully a couple months from now.
This is
One in
clean.
Nicholas where you can do really huge, like you shut down IT service. We're hoping to get it back as well. So it's going to be whichever cruise is we have the most.
Yo, a little dent. Yo, those headlights are sick. Would you get one of these?
Would I?
Yeah. Would you stance it like this?
I would.
You know what you gonna be into?
That's not the kind I like. Hey.
You should get these. You're gonna be hitting every
Let me show you
bump.
real quick.
Hola. Yo, this is a Porsche?
Yeah.
Wait.
I think so.
Yo, this Porsche is nice.
Yeah. Oh, it is a Porsche. Yo.
Yo, look at that logo.
That's old. Old boy. Look at even more, please. Oh my goodness. You're probably looking for people leaving the meet.
Yeah. Look at that logo, guys.
Oh.
I think we've seen that one in Cars and Coffee.
Yeah, I've seen the white one before.
I don't know if it's the exact
I
one.
wanted to.
Oh, with the light, with the sun.
Oh,